Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram chat theme. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the DM icon or messenger icon on top right corner. Here, if you haven't activated Messenger, then switch to Messenger from here. And then open a conversation. Now tap on the I button on top right corner. Now tap on theme. And here you will see many themes as well as colors and gradients. Now select a theme. And your chat theme will be changed. To change once again, tap on Change Theme on the conversation and select another one. And that's how you can change the chat theme on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.